Hello, kids. Welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today, we're going to learn about shapes. Shapes are all around us, and every object has a name based on its shape. Are you ready? Let's begin. Shapes are everywhere. Each object has a different name based on its shape. Let's explore some of the most common shapes and their features. First, we have the circle A. Circle has no sides and no corners. Look at this ball. It's round and circular in shape. Next, let's look at the square. A square has 4 corners and all sides are equal. Can you think of a square object? A chessboard is a perfect example. Here's the rectangle. It has 4 sides and 4 corners, just like a square, but its opposite sides are equal and parallel. Look at this laptop screen. It's rectangular in shape. Now, let's talk about the triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. A slice of pizza is a yummy example of a triangle. Up next is the oval, an. Oval has no sides and no corners, just like a circle. But it's stretched out. An egg is a great example of an oval shape. Now let's move to 3D shapes. A cube is a square in 3D. It has 6 equal faces. A dice is a great example of a cube. Here's the cuboid. It's rectangular in shape with opposite faces equal. A box is an example of a cuboid. And finally, we have the cone. A cone is triangular in shape. Ice cream cones are a delicious example of this shape. Let's quickly recap all the shapes we learned today. Shapes make everything around us fun and unique. Now it's your turn. Look at these objects and guess their shapes. What shape is a clock? That's right, it's a circle. What shape is a book? Yes, it's a rectangle. Great job, kids. You did amazing today. Keep looking for shapes around you and try naming them. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.